Best way to dispense drinking water without CO2. More user information on the water filter and kit setup is requested. Okay, so what they're talking about is we have a water filter kit that we typically use for one of the larger beer festivals in the country is is here in our kind of our hometown here, and it's right on the beach. And so we sponsor the drinking water station. So we set up jockey boxes throughout the site, and we hook up uh, directly to a water source. So it's using the city water system. So that's how the system is pressurized. And actually, what we have to do is because on our system, 25 to 30 psi is pretty typical from a keg. That pressure is a lot higher from a city water source. So we actually have to put a water restrictor on it at the end of our filter. So we put a filter on it, like it's just a nice carbon block filter on the end of the water hose that we get from the city. And so from the water filter, we add on the exit side of it, we put a water restrictor and change that down to about 25 to like 20 to 25 psi. And then we go from that to just a normal garden hose fitting to a jockey box fitting in our normal like jockey box tubing. And so the city water system is pressurizing the jockey box system. And then when you go to pour, you're getting nice, clean, filtered water through the system. So that's how we do it at a lot of the larger beer festivals. Let's go back to the question. Best way to dispense drinking water without CO2. So that's how we do it. And you're just using the natural pressure. If you didn't want to hook up to the other way that we do it is we've gotten kegs of water from breweries before as well. And that's a good way to do it if you're in a remote area and don't have direct access to a city water or a home water system, like a well or some sort of hookup. Just get kegs of water and you can call and ask your local brewery if they'll do it, but because of who we are, like we've got a lot of contacts for breweries and they don't mind filling kegs of water for us. And they're like, yeah, whatever you need. That just might be a favor for us. But so I know we've done some personal weddings of some staff members and stuff like that. And so when we pour remotely, we'll set up a water station with a keg. And so if you're doing that, one of the concerns is not carbonating the water because we want it flat. So we're not going to use CO2, right? We're going to use nitrogen. And so nitrogen has a hard time dissolving into a liquid. And so, the 8 hours that it's going to sit on, no nitrogen is going to dissolve into the water. So we use nitrogen to dispense water from a keg through a jockey box if we're pouring remotely. And then we're using just the natural pressure from the city water systems, and then restricting that so it doesn't come out too fast on our jockey box if we have a hookup.
Get stadium quality draft at home or on the go with a cold one. No power required. Built for the fans. Built for the win.